Good morning. We're here today at Frank's Pontiac Parts to showcase this 1962 Pontiac Bonneville Safari station wagon body shell that we're putting up on our website for sale. Now, if you've got a station wagon like this and it's in bad shape, lots of rust, and you've been wanting to restore it, this is a cheap way to get all your body work done in one shot. This station wagon is in great shape. You can see the tailgate is nice, roof is nice, quarter panels are nice, not rusty, not full of Bondo. It does have rust in the doors. We were thinking about just removing them because they were the only rusty spot, but decided against that. Figured maybe somebody could use the doors for something or patch them. But the doors aren't in great shape, but the rest of the body is in great shape. It's amazing. Now, we didn't part this car out. We did get a few pieces off of it, and they are up on our website. I think we got the bumpers and a couple dash pieces, not much. But it was originally going to be an LS project, so somebody went ahead and put LS mounts in it and cut out the tunnel, but then gave up, which happens a lot with the LS projects. Everybody thinks they want one. Then they give up and they sell it to somebody else and they yank the LS and they put it into something else, and I don't know, it just goes on and on. We hear this all the time. But anyway, really nice wagon. I was trying to get this done before the sun came up, but my battery died on my camera and I had to start over. So I don't know if I can, yeah, there we go. Get the door open, you can see the floor is in excellent shape. The red is not rust, that's glue from the factory. It's really amazing condition. It does come with a clear, notarized Arizona title. This car was in Arizona all its life. I was told that it's from Lake Havasu. So, kind of cool. You can see the roof. Roof's super, super nice. Maybe I can get up on the front of it to show that roof. Usually they rust in the window tracks too, and the window tracks are all nice. Kind of, like I said, an amazing thing. It's a shame that this car got to this state. See if I can get up here without falling on my butt. There we go. Super nice roof. That little spot there is just where the paint came off. No rust there. Anyway, so that's it. 1962 Pontiac Bonneville Safari station wagon rolling body shell, available for sale at frankspontiacparts.com.